Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I lost my intro for this video, so I'm just redoing it, but I thought I would just go over the items you need for what I'm making. I just bought some of these 5 for $1 mini writing tablets. They're the ones that come in the colors pink, yellow, blue, green, whatever, lavender. So I'm making matchbook covers for them. So I just went through the work for you of sizing the matchbook and figuring out the shape or the measurements and score lines. So what you'll need is a corner chomper or some type of hole punch to punch through the tablets. And this does it because it's really strong. So I don't think you could use a little handheld one. You really got to get through that whole tablet to make a hole for your brad. Unless you could use, I thought of using an upholstery stapler. So that could be another option. And then tool-wise, you'll need a cutter for your paper. I just have my little Fiskars, which I love. And a scoreboard. You don't have to have a scoreboard, but if you don't have one of these, I would get one because you can really make a lot of different things with it. It's great for card making, for making boxes or any kind of thing like that. And then with mine, I like to use one of these little, I don't even know what they're called, little ball-headed things. So instead, because I don't like the bone folder that comes with it. I have a better one, but this really gets in the groove and works better. So, oops, and that got lost. So that's that. And I'll need some kind of adhesive. Well, okay. I put the little moose, this is the Hobby Lobby punch that was on clearance for $5. I got mine 2 Saturdays ago, and it stayed on the shelf forever because I kept putting it in my cart and taking it back out, and finally I just decided to get it. So you don't have to use the moose punch, but you could use any kind of a punch to use for the ones that I'm making. You don't have to decorate it that way, but that's just what I used. And then some adhesive. These little guys work out pretty well. It's good adhesive, or you could use glue. And I use the Simple Stories Florals, and this was on clearance at Tuesday morning, and I got this 2 weeks ago also. So that's all you need, and I will I will just call this my intro and start the video. Alright, so I finished them, and I'm going to make one on camera just so you can see, but they're the little matchbook pads I can get. So there's that one. And this is that kind of Ditsy floral paper that I got at Tuesday morning. I don't remember what it was called. And then I just used some brads from my stash. I love the little moose die. He's so cute. So there's that one. I also made these first from just some scrap paper that I have, and one of my cabochon brads. I'll put the link to that video. There are 2 videos. One to make the cabochon and one to do the brad. And then that one. So, they are very simple. I just there's a lot of videos on matchbooks, but this one I created for these tablets. So I have all the dimensions that you need. And you don't have to do it yourself. So, for your decorative paper, you want a piece that is 3.5 wide by 10 5/8, and then you want to score it at avalanche. My daily fun. Okay, 1 inch. This is for the bottom flap. And then 1 1/8. And then 6 1/8. And 6 1/4. And you can corner around all the corners if you want. I did not. Okay, and then just fold those down. And I forgot to put a hole here. So I use the 1/8 hole for my corner chomper. And I didn't put this in here because I wanted to like make one on camera. So instead what I'm going to do is find the hole, which is right there, and go through, because I only have to put a brad in. So I really can just do it with this little picky tool. So that's just for the brad anyway. And my brad is, okay, so I'll do the brad. And these are just brads from my stash. Just use them what you got. Okay. And that just gets in there. And then I showed the making the buffalo check paper. That's kind of fun to do. And then a little moose. There. Okay. It is sticky though. So then that goes on there. And that is it. Simple as that. And I think they're turning out kind of cute. So these I'm calling Matchbook Moosies. And I'll probably sell them for $3 each. So for $1 and some little bit of paper and a little time. I think they're kind of cute. So thanks for watching. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Take every chance you dare. I'll still be there.